In my 40 years as a journalist, an author, a filmmaker, and a storyteller, I've never met anyone who didn't like a good story. A good story has the power to make you stop what you're doing and think about something new. A good story can challenge you. A good story can delight you. A good story can make you want to be your best. But the best of stories can inspire you to want to do more, to want to be better. In my years of listening to stories, I've noticed one thing. Many people feel they don't have a story to tell. My name is Gopi, and I'm delighted to invite you to come and listen to my session on January 14th, and let me tell you why you should tell your story. Just as you may have been inspired by the stories of women like Oprah Winfrey, Ariana Huffington, Indira Nooyi, Sofia Vergara, your story too has the power to not only build your brand, but also to inspire other women to build their brands. So let's meet and let's talk about what happened to you a long time ago, once upon a time.